Welcome back, little readers. It's another Digraph day. But before that, let's jump into our Digraph Rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So, what's a digraph again? Tell me. Yes, 2 letters, 1 sound. And our 2 letters for today are N and G. N and G. But together they say N. N. Can you say it? N. Good job. Okay, now let's sing it so that we get more familiar with it. Okay?
If it's strong and you know it, say mm. If it's strong and you know it, say mm. If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say mm.
Now let's go into some words with a ng sound. Usually the ng can be found at the end of a word, but sometimes you can also find it in the middle. So, as always, I'm going to do the action and let's sound the letters out together and then you try to read the word. Okay? Let's start. K, I, N. Again. K, I, N. King. King. Okay. Now let's I, N. I, N. We like to do this. Sing. Sing. Of course. Next, this makes a loud noise. It's B, A, N. Again. B, A, N. Bang. There you go. Bang. Okay. And then, angels have this next word. It's W, I, N. W, I, N. Wing. Wing. And O, N. O, Opposite of short is long. Long. Now it's time for some solo work. Okay? As usual, I will help you by doing the action, and the sound dots will also help you. But you have to sound out the letters and try to read the words on your own. Ready? Okay. So, word 1. R, I, N. R, I, N. What is it? Ring. Yes. Okay. Second word is A, N. Again. A, N. Hang. Hang. Okay. Next is O, A, N. One more time. O, A, N. Part of your body. Lungs. Lungs. Okay. Next is W, I, N. Again. W, I, N. You like this? I like this too. Swing. Swing. Now, this is kind of a long word, but I know you can hack it. Ready? Off. Ich. That's a mouthful. One more time. Off. Ich. And It's my favorite part of the day. Morning. Morning. So once again, you've mastered a new digraph, and you know how to find them in words. So if you're still here, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next digraph.